for 10 go. Not the MP for 10 go. NDC for 9.9 and Seniska.
Abuja from Mamunya Makwaba at the Bagana and Sem TV so. But I'm this like video, no best subscribe to the channel, no turn on notifications. Next time. Videos of this nature about also submit to my cabinet. So watch your comment section. Maybe we from Mr. President and Major also TikTok or comment section. But be about we from Mr. President and Major also. You need dream say that should be the new patriotic party about power. Na ya bana Ghana for you na what to. I'm more ready. The need to Sudan say man we need that to be. Now the be a mekasim be say amanya some ye no. So what money under wa. Ho be chelo pa. The moment I be hold the public office, and say who say you own it a responsibility. I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement. Nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushamin chankra, mommy enko. The enko video bimra. The video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President here. Mommy commerce is here.
The NDC for 10 go. Not the MP for 10 go. NDC for 9.9 and Seniska. They are jobless, they are useless, they are refrash. In water, commoners. This is what in NKWASIAFOUR. What was the NPP? Yeah, you drug. What was the economy na achia? What was the withdraw? What was the economy na achia? Because mo nim share for economy ho. So mo koyo obi say sa me jemfi. At the gold board. Yeah, a whole big issue say. Only sa me jemfi degree na even na obodu. Even na koyo aduma. Why na high press NKWASIAFOUR so koyo aduma da? KWASIAFOUR we aduma da. Aduma obi taking his sweat. He 25 years in school and credit to us emperor never sustain your tax pay any economy no. Na KWASIAFOUR bit say sabi jemfi. Okofa ba o koto offense oto tun no koto. Sam, this is me on keme kwa denta na offense. Me po de me say dem wo yin no me kwa denta. Because Ghana won. Adunku e na yan sanko. Na me de wie na me ka say wo yan KWASIAFOUR bi na mu kwase titi wo kwase akonso na wo bi na mu kan kwasase ma e ya mon dwen ho because mon kan wo so mo be wu eja ye nchiriba no afi na ye ba mon kan ye bre bobo because wo papa wo ba bra papa e be sana ko ba ho eti na wo se mahama eni bu obusanfo no the bad legacy won pa ja ye no e na asane na eko na politics there se wo ye ni here wo ko bu aten wo so wo yin here wo ko bu aten wo so eti na wo se NDC form paying for no omugusu wuwu obi mutwa ebi me ya epilepsy on se na maye pasa no maye pasa ti sa man bu ba she NPLs no like hey uncle pa share NPP what na the make futa make you to be as person obobra join the elephant family na anye bia se unni obi osuru a ya policy baako etimi dim djuma in pim eto e ma unye bi nye e ma dachi bia no 20 years now obedu baby no se wan damase a na mewu
near the doctor be the president of Ghana because we can't let these brains just go like that. Mas a Ghana problem near John Dramani Mahamo. John Dramani Mahamo since a bit snaps with a Ghana problem till now. It's more into Utah, Konokoda, Nedjin. Why? Simpatio move from come that was bow the other.
Some public opinion that will say change it. Let's then have a new paradigm in Ghana.
Is that something you would get behind?
I think that it is something that is bound to happen. And when that happens,
what's going to provoke it? What's going to make it happen?
Oh, it's the activity, like elsewhere in the world. Like elsewhere in the world, the activities of individuals, of groups. I grew up in England. I went to school as a young boy in England, and I grew up at the time in England when homosexuality was banned there. It was illegal, and I lived the period when British politicians thought it was anathema even to think about changing the law.
Enti sa okay ye papa sa same way NDC for Eddie campaign pa because okasa Nana Akufo-Addo say it's bound to happen. So be careful. Sabre no it's bound to happen. Say nyankophobia ebeba NDC for at that time mode campaign NDC for mode campaign sa is bound to happen mode ye neati krom ha ye nyina so support mu ekeka bi e kire ye papa Nana Akufo-Addo say hey papa when your opportunity where from that noise catch yourself one sign na dey na okeka nyoma bebrebe na say o man nkofo no akwanya.
All right, Nana Kwabe Bedas, Papa, we, see. Be the big to us watching now. We know dear, we know dear, we know dear, Tuaso Ochina Yame Eya Duma, Ochina video back on Subeba, audio no so, and no crowd about 20 minutes, mean to be boarding na. Boy, no normal bro, Saro. Sabote, a choir faso. Didn't you solo? Did you be with you or your friend solo? Or no, and I just saw boo ECG staff. No, didn't you solo? Regional minister, I'm Wakwene. Didn't you solo? Or Chinod you now, my bono, the Obeti solo, no, at TM, Sani and the minister Casa, Sani and the minister Casa, and all boo staff, no, and all that crowd, and so on Casa. My main penny didn't cram ECG for wow pedo, man Casa cake, a chantro. Mopa bonko hwe eye staff no na bisado ma ECG for omo ne ndamanta ma na omo kopie fie omo de no omo nim se eye franka mo akoine efie enti video na ne yeyi no omo bie mi ade no so omo kopie hodom na chese obi ba ho se who born dog na wo dim se regional minister na wa hada o wian kane ano na mo maba hado na chese mo ba be ye de ba de yampene be so ochina voice abe body achina no it spans by 20 minutes mean to me body nyina ba me no de tip of the year na be de about
emrani na wo eni na madam oslo wusu afanyo mark ye nyina ka se na musa se bi o san kwase asemwe ye de hwemu ye de NDC force there beach from George eye nanim se bo float. And the catcher said the law is perfect. And Richard Sky, peace, there be City FM journalist. This is there be.
Me say me catch the play. Me you playing fa. Say NDC4 in this case. We ni pa bonifo. China mekano.
Ojene da ono. Si mu de bia ye ka ho asem. Oman we just say yenim oman issue ayewo. Ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan Akufo-Addo Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a. Any 2024 elections eko e no ma Dr. Bawumia e den e de kire Ghana fa se me ba we ni we na me yama mo na. Abusia na ke yensem pata de yensa kan. Serious. So in fact, oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi presidency. Oman bit me kuburu or maybe leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA Buru another African country to go cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, Yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impo yen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals in the person is yen because of time. But those ones yetimi we component go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact yeah, equipping hospitals not all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, many can say, yeah, hospitals and they go sound and no woman say. It is a Canadian who saying and no man in Abaya. It is a scan of Canada was I, what to me was, oh, I mean, say almost same people for. ne ma comfort ma sacrifice discard to what their hospitals na mo so mo ya comfort a comfort ma facilitate me so be fund free seniors mo so mo ya comfort isi enye Ghana for dey bi na fe na tables na 10 afi dem mo kekam kakaka why are they shouting obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho asofo no mo nko ma no ntu asofo no with the greatest of respect o mo nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ho chief imam for nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ho politicians nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ho marketing men o mo nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ho obi ankara no ntu ne nko nyina ho 2020 do they will know the way forward yeti kroma obi so ono oba ono the credit scoring system beba mo so open ko nkete Nancy bibi ni na kasa de se bi ye bibi ayen nkete ya adwen nkete ye bibi ye bi invest square ye nkete we want everything in pieces we don't want everything in bulk adi asem kra ni obi ma credit scoring system also open ko nkete obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems most open ko nkete is enya mo you people chose policy you people chose music over policy then yet any nyina ho papa na fe na mbusu wa kire me na wo ne wo sia kire me sabi me na me ko ka kire J0bl3ss ma say o mema was come to butu wa ye wa ha digitalization ye start say ye mo se dabi digitalization and to kinki nti mo pe kinki sika nti amamu papa na ba o mo ma mo kinki amamu a ade na mo kam ye wo ko mo ya e de J0bl3ss ma ko gina efese enkanfo mu gafo ka cho say oh gafo de oh na mo de onye kinki na mo hia digitalization bia e na gafo so okay nye beto ba na ma bum mo to ba ma kinki government a etimi
Sese die ko ye kra de menu na to me hu letter bi a yoko for tro ye eba council of state member voter region na me se fiam eh Remona Chapa ya hype ni say we ye can say Israel train
but the issue is true.
Okoye ni letter na was say council of state member no wo ye former staff emanam one which is never true.
Onya adwuma order and onya adwuma order ama nam one for the first time nam one I post. Oh yes, nam one I post. Yeah, no catch you be say dependent boa. O si sa asem na this for the first time nam one and kwa pe baby akoda and nam one yes na che say was in who kura dwiri ni say state institution a we intelligence institution who need intel ayeka bro problem ni nyina say economy no kwa na eboa problem ni nyina say papa or council of state member or company to good before grab good board beba no to me create a good board alliances no to me to good to me to good etimi good kwa manone ano ni adwuma ko bia kwa pam say me supply o good between June 2025 to June 2026 within 4 or 5 months we team supply gold no over 75%. Omo cost one as a maintain one se ba wone nipa no ni business ena nipa na fa case di abra wu yoko se osusi se nipa na sisi no yoko we invite directors and managers of the company mo buy who take your statement ama o grant omo bi omo koi wako court yoko na court o court no court will really dey tiao say this is a civil matter. This is not a criminal because Yoko is a state institution. And you fight for the state and not individual. And this is a civil matter. Already know what's what fizzy on my account without authorization. And I say order from court. And as High Court really say the oil unique case. What ferry a koda I feel the old defediana I feel also by us say any mokra meda mempemubium a jumara nankasa me penachino. We invite and our my no issue document say we're a fugitive. Our journey. Thank you. Personal attack as if say your office one and you sue any personal agenda. And you're so sad. No, Raymond Wankasa, me Martin Yamabemi and Sebia. I don't want to talk about
Nana, me see the member who know what the very soon who recordings a BP. Very soon who recordings are a BP. And this state institutions are on Sano Huno, and no crash, I'm sorry, I'm for NC for my